So, welcome back na naman sa today's video, guys. So, laro naman tayo ng Anime Defenders ng episode 3 na pala to. Pagdali, guys, ng kinuha ng kaibigan natin ang Esper na Igo at ang Thunder God. At pinalitan na ito, guys, ng tawag dito, Ice Dragon Queen. Sabi, guys, ng good dito sa pag-supporting at pang-stun, guys. So, pakita ko sa inyo, guys. Yan. Shiny pala siya, guys, Yan. 130. Good damage naman. Yeah. Anyways. So, in this video, ititest natin ang Ice Dragon sa raids. If you don't know anong raids, guys, dito, guys, yan. Ayan yung rage call, guys, So, yeah. So, let's just go here. So, may mga chances pala, guys, na makakuha ka ng mga mythic. Example, ng bear king or at what resource master. So, let's do our first trade. So, we hope this not gonna be hard. So yeah, let's do this. Enter for 30,000 gold, of course. So yeah, guys, let's just go there. So yeah, so we're here, guys, in the game place. So place muna natin ang bloomer. Yan, para we have more money kasi dito tayo makapot ng unit kasi expensive. So place natin dito. Yan. 2 times natin para bilis. Yan. Let's hope na itong binigay ng kaibigan natin ay good sa stun. Of course, it's called ice because it's good for stunning. Ice tingin mo ba? Ice dragon king mo yun. Bahala na dyan. So let's just keep up reading, guys. Bang, 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 boom. So ayan, guys, place na natin. Bang. Uy, grabe mag-stun yun. Tawag sa possibility, ice grenade. Ayan, granada. Puto naman, grenade launcher. Hoy, don't let them pass. It's just pretty easy. Ay, joke. Hindi ito pretty easy, guys, kasi medyo hirap natin, guys. Yan, stun mo pa. Yo, what's up, my boy? Don't let them pass. 1 times, I'm scared. Big. Yan. Second ability, guys, ice shards. Yan. Good ability, ice rain. Ito ba to? Ew. Yo, laki ng damage, guys. Pero I miss my spear. Hindi ko alam saan nyo ito nilagay. Pero, yeah, bet we take it. Bang. Yan. Let's just keep upgrading. Galing talaga, guys. Ibigan talaga. Galing talaga, guys. Galing. Ice punch. Wow, nagpa-punch si Lady. Babae, nagpa-punch. So, anyways. Yan, goods for stun. Yan. One more try, buddy. Yan. Stun talaga. Love stun. So, yeah, guys, upgrade na natin. Mayroon pa ako, guys, may mga ibang mythic ako dito, pero hindi shiny. Sana shiny yun kasi giveaway ko sana yun, pero hindi shiny. But I will test them if they're good. But my friend, ang aking kaibigan, sinabi sa akin, may isa ko na ako to, guys, King of Cursors. Good to guys. Good. Kasi kung i-max upgrade mo to ya guys, no, sakit nyon. So let's just hope na next episode guys, no, at nang papakita ko sa inyo mga mythic na akin na level 1 pa lang. Nakuha ko yun sa mga spin, ay sa mga gambles. Boss, gamble is my life. So yan guys, third, yan guys, na yung ka-lima na yun. Frozen Meteor. Wow, ano yan? Meteor pa naman. Ito naman, no. Bang. Ayan naman ang ability guys ng Ice Field. I hope it's a good stand kasi need natin yung stand para hindi sila makapalag sa atin. So yan guys, let's just wait to be na next wave. Oy, 2 times pala. Kalimutan mo yan. Joke. So yan guys, bang, bang, bigeng. Hindi pa max period. Yan guys, Ice Field. Parang Blizzard sa Blacksport. Pero much better. So upgrade na natin ito. Nung na-max upgrade ko na guys, ang total damage 14,614. Cooldown na guys ng 8.7 seconds kag 36 ang range. So upgrade na natin muna dito. Grabe ang lag. Puto naman. Bakit nag-lag? Huwag ka lag. Huwag mo kong subukan. Upgrade lang natin guys. Basta matapos itong wave kasi probably next episode ng ipakita ko yung mga mythic na kuha natin. So yeah, stay like and subscribe for if you want to see that. So yeah, so yan guys, no, wave 80 na tayo. Bilis, pero mas bilis yung kung 8 times 3 tayo guys. Pero wala tayong Robux, walang pera, pigado pa. Ay nako. Sabi nila guys ng malakas yung strike commander. Sabi ng kaibigan natin, malakas na guys. So yeah, let's just keep upgrading yan. Upgrade tayo na upgrade. Guys, ang good stand. Damn. May iba pala ng langga stand. Good sa Ice Dragon Queen guys. Earth na spirit kasi mas tama yun Pero kung ice naman na guys, slow lang ata o stun ay slow lang, but earth is better guys kasi mas tama ng pila ka seconds. So yeah guys, pero guys ng earth itong aking Deadfire Knight noon, pero nang pinalitan ko ng fire because I don't know, I just feel like it. So yan guys, wave 22 na tayo. Let's just keep pushing. Na-try ko na pala to guys ng isang di pa ko nakalaro ng Anime Defender, Space Time pa lang na akin. Yung level 30 ba ito or level 50. Yan yung level nakakuha ko sa raid. Hindi ko to kaya kasi hard guys, pero ngayon kaya ko na. Sana easy lang ito. Nahihirapan ko guys naman guys ang Hall of Mirror. Ano ba yan? Kasi daming mga ng lines na papunta sa yung guys. Hindi, kung ikaw sa amin, ikaw talaga ay mahihirapan kasi daming lines at may max unit pata ang placement, may max placement. May ang problema natin, pero kaya mo yan kasi we believe on your body. So yan guys, ng last wave na tayo. This na boys Dragon Queen is so good din. Pero nung pagkita ko talaga sa inyo guys, ang grabe talagang kuha ni strike kung evil mo, sakit talaga. Hindi pa yan S-class, kita yan guys. So yan guys, hindi ito ng boss, pagkita ko sa inyo. Sino ba yun? Train Demon Lord. Wow, so ugly. Uy, nalo agad. Kala ko mayroon pa So yan guys, natapos na natin. So yan guys, nandito na tayo sa lobby. So I hope you enjoyed today's video guys. Napakita ko na. Sana naganda ako sa aking video ngayon. Kasi I only have to be happy. Yan guys. Kuha natin muna spirits. 3 lang spirit guys. Galing naman. Hindi na golden. Hindi yan arcane. The switch. True spirits. Arcane plug. So ayan guys, na pakita sa yung aking Ice Dragon Queen. So today's video guys, I enjoy ko guys. So yeah, don't forget the like button, subscribe button guys, and hit the like button, subscribe button guys. I hope you enjoy and comment down below if my videos is good or not. So yeah, bye guys.